Hey, how you doing? One little known fact about vegans: vegans have tails. Just look at the book, Vegan Tales. Oh, different spelling. One of the really nice things about being a YouTuber / vegan blogger is people send you things. For the longest time, we were getting cases of Violife cheese sent to us from Greece. And these huge coolers with dry ice and every flavor of Violife cheese ever imaginable. They've since stopped sending it to us because now you can get Violife in the US, but this was so nice. Do not send us more cheese, Violife, Greece. So you get a lot of food to demo, to sample, to review, and every so often you get something like this, a really nice book sent all the way from England. That's right, this book traveled across the pond. Vegan Tales, this is volume 1, is a compilation of stories about being vegan. What's really interesting about this book is that these are fiction stories, so it sort of helps to normalize veganism. I want to read to you from the intro for this book in my best English accent, because of course this book is British. In so many ways there are watershed times. There are numerous changes on the horizon, from increasingly extreme weather events to potential mass migrations on a scale unseen before. It can all seem completely overwhelming and paralyzing. What to do? Where to start? Within the pages of this little book, through the prism of a vegan diet, we can begin to see a way forward. A kinder way of nourishing ourselves that respects the children of all species. With stories from across the globe, sometimes humorous, sometimes cautionary, Vegan Tales illustrates the power of small actions that have global consequences. And that's written by Pam Warhurst, CBE, Todmorden, England, December 2018. So this is a new book. It's available wherever books are sold. The other cool part of this is a friend of mine, Rissa Miller, who's not British. She lives somewhere around Baltimore. Very outspoken, very wonderful vegan. She's also a poetress. She has a beautiful book that just came out right now of her poetry. Check that out, Rissa Miller. She has 2 stories in here as well. And again, as you read these stories, you start to feel like maybe being vegan isn't strange. Maybe being vegan is part of a lot of people's culture and a lot of people's lifestyles. And that the more people that read these books, this type of book, the more they're going to realize that veganism is not some strange, culty sort of strange diet. It's actually a lifestyle, as one of which embracing animals, all the creatures on this planet, as sentient beings that deserve to live. Pick up Vegan Tales. Anytime a book like this comes out, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of compilations out there. There's of course a million cookbooks out there. There's The Skeptical Vegan and The Smart Parent's Guide to Raising Vegan Kids. There are so many books you can add to your vegan library, and Vegan Tales should be one of them.